first Google Walmart bestseller API, and you can see this one, the very first one gives you an idea what to do, and then the second one, whenever you see for API, you would want to see something with developer dot some a like well known, I guess, reputable site. Walmart Lab sounds good. This looks like it's from Walmart. And so when you go in here, it will tell you, okay, there are these special category, like you want bestseller, so this will be the URL that you're gonna look at. And you can see that right here, the API key is not filled in. And that's because that is a key that you need to register and generate. Then that will be your secret key, your special key, where all of your application will use that key to basically make calls to Walmart. And so for eBay, you have to go through the same process, register, and get an API key to interact with eBay API, so on and so forth. So, for example, if you want to just call an API manually, it's just as easy as copying the URL and pasting it. Right now, the API key is not filled in, so you won't. So you see, there will be an error. So then you could click register. After you get the email and you verify, you will then be able to see a key. And so now if you put the key into this area, you should be able to get something back. Okay, and this is in the form of JSON. It's just a JavaScript object, and so we'll do that later. And these are pretty much all the bestsellers returned to you in a specified format called JSON. This is an XML format. So similarly, I have this test.php script here. The URL is everything before the question mark in so right here, everything up to the question mark is the URL. Everything after the question mark is called the query string, or and basically the query string is a key value pair. A key value pair is the key equal value separated by an and percent, like an and sign. This is just like a URL encoded ampersand sign. You can ignore that. So the next key and the next value. So in here, this is a test PHP script I already have for you. The URL is here. Each key value pair is here. This is a method that I found online. You pass in the URL and the query string, and the response will be whatever the server returned. And so you run it by you have to have PHP installed, and then you just put wherever this test PHP file is, and it will just return to you pretty much anything that you see in the in the page right here. It's basically making this HTTP call and outputting those texts for you here. So that's how you call one of the API that you needed from both manually and through a script. If you like it, then please send me an email and we can discuss on how to proceed.